In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to reshare WhatsApp status without notifying the other user. With the new update on WhatsApp, you can now reshare statuses if the person allows you to do that. And when you reshare the status, you're going to have this reshare tag on the status, and they're also going to notify that person. If you don't want this, here's how to do it. But first of all, before you reshare the status, you have to view them. So I'm going to go through the status right here. So after viewing it, download this file manager. I'm going to put the link in the description. It's called Mix. Now open it. Navigate to your internal storage. Go to Android folder. Open the media folder. You're going to see com.whatsapp. Open it. Open the WhatsApp folder. Enter media. Scroll down a little bit. You're going to see statuses at the bottom. Open it. Here, you're going to see all the status you have viewed today. They get deleted automatically in 24 hours. So if I play them, you're going to see that it is the status I just viewed recently. Now, if you want to share it, you simply hold it and click on the three dots, click on share, click on status. Now click on send. As you can see right here, it doesn't have the reshare tag, and it will notify the person that I have reshared his status. So that's how you do that. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.